from We Love Food World, with Ricardo Nunes, Antonia, septimo. Hello guys! Ngayon po ay magluluto ako ng star bread. Kung tawagin ay putok bread. So guys, ito yung mga recipe ko. Papakita ko sa inyo. This is my recipe. Meron tayong flour, is salt, sugar, butter, egg, and powder milk. Meron tayong fresh milk and water. So guys, this is our recipe. This is the putok bread kung tawagin. This is Philippine style. This is bread from Philippines. Okay people. Okay guys, this is the flour. Pagsasama-samahin natin yung dry ingredient. Okay, this is the yeast and salt. Of course, sugar, yeah? Haluin muna natin siya. Mix it together. Okay. So, this machine gonna make my dough. So, it's nice and soft. You know, guys? So, hindi tayo ngayon magmamanual. So, we're gonna use the machine. And then, ilagay natin yung powder milk. Ayan. And then after that, I'm gonna put in the machine. Okay guys, ilalagay ko yung flour, all the ingredient and inside the machine. Ayan. So, okay guys. Ayan, look at this. And lagay natin yung milk. This is the warm milk, people. And this is the warm hot water, okay? Warm water. And then, lagay natin yung butter. Butter, okay? Lagay natin yung egg. Okay, guys. So, ayan. And next, guys, this is ready. So, 45 minutes making a dough and select. Okay? Ayan. Simple lang po. It's really simple. Just making the dough, but this machine gonna make my dough. Hindi tayo magkakamay. So nice and soft, guys. So wait 45 minutes and the dough is gonna be ready. Look at this. And then we're gonna close, okay? So let's close. Okay guys, the dough is going. So, ayan po, yung machine making a dough now. Gumagawa na siya ng dough, and then po later, in 45 minutes, ready. So, masarap po itong recipe. It's really easy. Kung marunong po kayo mag-follow ng recipe, madali lang naman po magluto. So, just follow the recipe and makukuha nyo yung procedure ng pagluto ng kahit anong recipe. Meron lang kayong recipe, meron kayong idea, at yung recipe, just follow the recipe and you can make it anything food. So, kahit anong food, pag marunong kayong magluto at marunong kayong mag-idea at marunong kayong mag-follow the recipe, follow the book, simple po, madali lang pong magluto. So, yun. At sana po sa pagluto, yung puso, nandun yung puso mo, at yung isip, so, devoted sa pagluto. Para yung result ng pagluto ay masarap. Yun po yung sekreto ng pagluto. Be devoted. Sana yung puso nandun, para yung lasa at yung taste ng luto ay masarap, hindi lang yung basta-basta. at follow the recipe. Kaya po yung recipe is perfect. Kaya yun ang sikreto po ng luto. Kaya kahit anong luto, masarap, padali sa puso, at perfect yung recipe mo, at gusto mo talaga magluto, makukuha po yung pagluto, yung tamang timpla. So guys, sana po ay magkita-kita ulit tayo. Hindi pa tapos yung duko, at magkita-kita tayo sa aking lutong Pinoy bread. Putok star bread kung tawagin in English, and my own language is putok. Masarap po ito. So that guys. Oh guys, look at that. My dough is ready. Wow, amazing. Okay guys, the dough is ready. Wow, look at that. Okay guys, this is the dough. Kunin na natin yung dough. And then, lagyan natin siya dito.
What's that? Why are you putting salt?
I'm making a dough.
Why are you putting here?
Okay, look at this.
Well,
Look at that, people. Lagyan muna natin sa jam niya. Look at that.
stop.
Okay guys, look at this. Okay. Ganyanin lang natin siya. Gagawin lang natin siyang bola-bola guys. Bola-bola. Okay. Lagyan natin siya ng lana. Mantika dito. Look at this. Look at this. Nice and soft. Okay. Bibilogin lang natin siya. Guys, look at this. look at that. Look at that. And then I'm gonna brush the egg. Then after the brush, I'm gonna do like this. Okay guys, scissor. Okay. And then I'm gonna brush it. I'm gonna brush the egg. Look at it. It's delicious. Okay guys, this is the sugar, so I'm gonna put in top like this. All over, okay guys. No, wala si Ricardo nagtrabaho, kaya I'm alone to make this. Okay people, look at this. That's amazing. Putok! Ito yung tinatawag na putok. Guys, look at guys.
Hey, look.
Look at this guys, amazing. Yeah, it's growing and wow, wonderful, absolutely amazing. Look at that people. Look at my star bread, amazing. It's growing and I think it's absolutely amazing. Look at that. Wow, wonderful. Hi guys, look at that. Fantastic. Okay guys, look at this. Basically, this is bread, star bread, Philippine bread. Ayan. Amazing. Ayan. Ayan. Wow, wonderful, isn't it? Okay guys, look at my bread. It's look amazing. It's nice. Look at this. Hi people, hopefully you're enjoying my bread today. It's start bread, Putok bread, Putok tinapay. Oh my god, it's really hot. So guys, gonna show you. Amazing. Wow, wonderful. Smell delicious. It's really hot. Just make it. So guys, yeah, mayroon ditong maliit lang. So, ayan, masarap. Kayang-kaya po ninyong gawin ito sa inyong mga tahanan at sa inyong pamilya, sa mga bata. It's really good. Tikman natin to. Yummy. Sarap. Masarap. Thank you for watching and hopefully you like my recipe. Star bread. And the kitchen we are fire. Thank you. Mwah. God bless you all. Bye now. See you on next video and please thumbs up and subscribe and like. God bless. Bye. Hola, Carlos Diaz, Elsa Benzi, Virginia Loli, Benya Kume. Mwah. Hola, amigo Carlos Diaz, Elsa Benzi, Virginia Loli, Didi Santana, Marcos Cesar, Paola Vera, Nikki, Luis Kakang, Benya Kume. Mwah. Hola, Isa Albes, Ricardo Agosto, Benya Kume. Mwah.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
Antonia septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
If you want to taste all the flavors of life, you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.